So a quick look into the structure of SAU USD, Shavyfxhub. The daily time frame, as the week comes to an end, we have seen what it is, and it cannot be more than what it is right now. So let's look at the structure on a daily time frame. You can see on daily time frame, there was a breakout on Monday 12th, a breakout from a demand structure, a daily demand structure. We have here as a demand floor. Here is a retest to a broken demand structure. And here we have break of a demand, price returns here on supply. I don't want to put this here. So then we look at again the ascending trend line on daily time frame, starting from December 2024. I'm going to use our line chart as key reference, and I prefer daily. Now it's a little bit shift from what we do normally, but the idea is to come closer to what the market intends to do next. We need to know what it's doing, then swing in the direction of what the market is about to do. Now we'll see we have here as a demand structure, another demand structure, another demand structure. So making it an ascending trend line. And we have another structure here. There is a very good structure here. Here is a demand structure, supply roof, and here is a demand. And we see a switch from the demand floor to supply roof, and we started trading before we broke out from the structure here, and we create a new all-time high. We return to this structure that was created from this supply and this demand floor, and we broke the structure here. That structure is broken, indicating sell continuation. Now, for the market to give a buy signal, just like I said, on 4 hours, we didn't get a buy signal yet. The market still has to return to this floor and possibly has to return here to be able to trade in this direction. But from what the market is doing, let's go back to our chart. You see, by Thursday, price returned to the ascending trend line and respected the structure. So if we are going by that, then we are going to have a litmus test in this way. So what you want to see now for more bearish continuation is a breakout of this structure, which will technically come in a double confluence and we sell down. It's going to be a massive sell down. So if that happens, let us not forget that we have a structure in this area. Let's not forget that. Let's not be quick to forget that we have a structure here. Let's not be in a hurry to forget it. You see, the thing about analyzing the financial market is it is easy to be carried away by your grievances, by your losses. But the reality of the matter is that everything the market does is already evident in the chart. This is a live price action, evident. So if we break up from that structure, please be careful with all buy ideas. Just be very careful with it. This is a long-term ascending trend line starting from December 2024. It's a valid ascending trend line. Demand structure 1, demand structure 2, demand structure 3, demand structure 4. Price came back, respected it. So if buyers does not provide the liquidity to upswing and break this structure has to be broken on daily. It has to be broken on daily. It has to be broken on daily. So if they cannot break this blue ascending trend line, there is a problem for all possible buy ideas. And a fallout from this ascending demand floor will technically bring price to the about 2007 something. So that might really in trading, we are not speculating. We're just looking at the structure of the market and see that the market is following its own structure. Its own structure it creates is following it layer by layer, layer by layer, layer by layer, layer by layer. So it's not our making, neither our doing. So this is what the market is on technical perspective, and it is what it is. It is what it is. So these are daily time frame for SAU USD. We have an ascending trend line, we have another ascending trend line. And you can see after breakout of that structure, price has retested, and we're seeing a significant sell challenge. We're seeing a significant sell challenge at the moment. So what we want to see is if we have a potential breakout of this structure, a breakout of this structure will come as a breakout on double confluence. And if that happens, if we break out from this structure here, then we are coming down here. It's going to be a long fall. And while that is looking like the next price movement, let us not also forget that this is a valid floor. This is a valid floor. So in the case of that heavy bearish drop, price, a fallout from here will technically bring price direct to this floor. This is where I see another demand floor on daily time frame. So plot your buy order on this demand floor. This is daily. And another demand floor is here. So I think there is a possible retest of this level, very much possible at this level, very much possible. This is another area that is also very strong, also worthy of note on daily time frame. So let's apply our expert advisors to see what information comes out from the expert advisors. And from there, it will give us a clue, an insider clue into what price is about to do next. So you can see from what we have here that on daily time frame, the EMA and the SMA is pointing here as a buy floor. We have the SMA providing here as a next demand floor. We also have the SMA providing here also as another demand floor. And we also have here as another valid floor, which has already been respected. So this is what we have at the moment. And, you know,